Bringing in outside leader or person at the top level in the organization affects organization culture as well as morale adversely. And it also affects the overall performance unless the objective of hiring outside person is not clear. Mainly when the organization finds that there are not competent people to lead, or they want to manage change, or when there is a requirement or acquisition of another company or merger with another company. Under such circumstances, organization recruit a person from outside to lead that change or lead the organization. And unless the objective is not clear to people in the organization, it can affect adversely. Because there are two things. First thing is the outside person comes with a different culture, different understanding of business, and he is always under high pressure to show the result. And also there is a lack of loyalty or attachment with the organization. Therefore, the focus remains on performance parameters and bringing those changes to improve short-term performance, and that can affect people morale and also the overall long-term effect. Many organizations have understood that bringing outside person has not much helped the organization, and the need for outside person arises when the organization has not developed the second line or the people to lead the organization and has very strong autocratic leader. When that person leaves the organization, he leaves the organization without any successor or a competent person to lead, and therefore the organizations are forced to recruit person from outside. That is the challenge for organizations, whether they want to develop people from within to succeed the organization leadership, or to bring people from outside where the intention is purely to show the results. And in many cases, organization's performance affects adversely in the long run, and many leaders leave the company within the short period. This is a dichotomy or a challenge in front of many organizations because of severe change in technology, business environment, and customer expectations as well as market requirements. Today, more or less, one individual person cannot lead the organization, and the future leadership has to be based on consensus, service oriented, and taking into account people opinions as well as opinion from experts. And That is the kind of leadership we require today.